Trader, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you again here to our channel. I'm Samuel, and today is Tuesday the 23rd of December 2025. It's my pleasure to tune in again here this evening, and we're approaching 7 p.m. Eastern Time, 11:14 minutes here, Trader. So we're now moving forward with our program, learning how to trade. Very, very important, because we're looking for that beautiful skill, which is become a professional trader. So today we will start, analyzing our trade, and then we will check the condition of the market. After that, we can see if there is any opportunity. But by seeing what the chart shows here, we see some kind of bullish candle on some, after Australia session, Asia, we see some bullish candle. But before we jump on that, let me welcome those in French. Mesdames et messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue sur notre chaîne. Je suis Samuel. Aujourd'hui, c'est mardi, le 23 décembre 2025. J'aime mentionner le temps parce que ça va aider ceux qui verront cette vidéo peut-être la semaine prochaine, ou bien le mois prochain, ou l'année prochaine, ou bien je sais pas quoi, 10, 1 an, 2 ans, 3 ans, 20 ans. Aujourd'hui, peut-être même le jour où je serai plus en vie. Donc, c'est pour cette raison que j'aime mentionner la date afin de nous retrouver. Donc, c'est un plaisir pour moi, chez Trader, de venir ici et toujours être présent à notre rendez-vous. C'est pas facile de respecter un rendez-vous, vous le savez, mais c'est important. Donc, nous allons commencer notre soirée par les analyses de notre marché et nous poursuivrons. Voilà, c'est ça le programme. Donc, nous voyons que nous sommes ici, c'est la bougie journalière. Voilà. Donc, nous sommes ici, toutes ces bougies semblent être vertes, sauf GBP. Voilà. Donc, nous allons voir. I was saying that we have our daily charts here. We are slightly green. This daily chart, except GBP. At our daily chart, let's go to our 4 hours. We see our 4 hours here, Trader. So 4 hours below. So let's now go to 4 hours. This is the higher resistance. So I need to be careful here if we can, because we may pull back down, paid off our setup. So shouldn't forget, in order to follow our trade up, we need to be careful because we are on the top resistance here. We are on the resistance there. So trader, I need to be careful because the other day we made some money on Sunday. We need to preserve it, our capital. Very important. For that reason, I'm going to lower my quantity because we don't know what may happen in the market here. Need to be careful. I have to preserve our capital. So let's see, in less than 2 minutes here, we're going to hit 7 p.m. So our trade went to the resistance above. Let's see. Gotta be 7 in a few seconds. Comme je disais, nous avons nos trades qui sont allés jusqu'à la résistance. Nous allons voir si on va descendre directement ou bien on va replier vers le haut. Je préférerais qu'on replie vers le haut pour me donner la possibilité d'entrer si je peux. Mais s'il descend une fois, je vais laisser. If you go down once, I'm gonna let him do it. You know. Let me just all right, let's see. I would like to see a rejection from the 200. I could have like it to push back up. It's not yet 7. It's 7 p.m. here, trader. We are already at a low. I don't want to jump on the trade before my time. That was the problem. I could have just short that trade from the top, but I don't want to do that. We are now at a low here. Let's see. Already break here. We're already lower. Let's see if we're gonna break this trade. I gotta be careful. I missed this big entry one. I missed it because I don't want to enter the trade before 7. That is the reason. I don't want to enter the trade, but the edge was there. Let's see. Let me see this guy here. What are you gonna do? It's still above. This guy hasn't break. This one as well. So I need to be careful. Need to be careful. It could be a very nice trade, but I don't take it. That's fine. Let's wait. Not ready yet. Need to be careful. We have two options here. This we might see this trade keep going down. Maybe pull back here a little bit, come down because we are on the resistance. Or we may see a trade reversing up. So this problem we had it the other day on, I think it was yesterday. Same problem yesterday, same setup. It came down, it broke like this. I tried to take the reversal, but we have continuation down. So you need to be careful this time. If, let's say, we see a rejection from the low, I will just go with a small, tiny quantity, maybe 2 trades only. I will see. I'll wait for the confirmation to see effectively if the trade is going up. Keep pushing down. I don't know if we're going to break here this technical analysis. Let's see. I missed that drawdown. US keep going down. Not through yet. Trade or no trade? Not trade yet. I have no trade. We still have a CHF still, on the pivot point. Would have liked him to come down here as well, like the other guy. But I feel comfortable. But I also like Australia to break this area. Like Australia to break there to feel also comfortable, but we see a rejection on the 200. And these guys here, I'm not comfortable, but you know, I might just take small. Yep, but just very small quantity in case I wanna take the long, but you know, I'm not feeling too excited because this is not a setup for me. We might see this trade keep going down because for me, probably might see it going down or maybe moving up a little bit here to the 20 and come back down. Coming back down. Let me wait and see. We're gonna break here. Want to see next candle? Nice move. Missed my entry again for the first candle. Wanted to wait for the second candle, but trade push up. I don't know if it's coming down or not. It's possible to come down. Let me see if we're going to continue up. Trader can't enter the trade if I'm, you know, I know I'm missing a lot of opportunity, but it is what it is, you know. It's better to not take a trade than taking the trade you're not sure with, you know. I was expecting this green candle to stop here and placing the next one, making the new high a little bit so that I can enter the trade. But when it push too much like this, it's hard for me to enter the trade again, you know. Unless this trade come back down, if they come back down here to the support, I may now figuring out and reject again. Now I may take the trade, but if it doesn't do that, it's gotta be hard for me. But if you guys took it, that's fine. You know. Il disait que je voulais entrer dans ce trade. Si ce trade avait placé une petite bougie jusqu'ici, il avait placé une troisième un peu en haut, je pouvais entrer. Mais la seule bougie ou la deuxième bougie qu'il a placée était très longue pour moi d'entrer. Parce que mon stop sera très loin ici. So I'm concerned about my stop, you know. My stop is too far here, trader. So with my money management, I can't enter this trade, you know. Sorry about that. You're going without me. I'm feeling FOMO, you know, but it is what it is, you know. I can't enter this trade because my stop is too far. You gotta place my stop here. And if this trade come back here down, I'm gonna lose a lot. I don't want to do that. I'll wait. That is a second big opportunity which I'm not in. You know, the first one I didn't take it because it dropped before 7. It was already far here, so I couldn't jump on it. I'm trying to explain you guys the reason why I'm not in the trade. You know, it's not because I'm scary, no, because things are not aligning so that I can take a trade. I could have just entered this trade for the rejection here, but it could have been too early. If you reverse here, nothing showed me that the trade was supposed to keep going up. Let's wait another opportunity again, trader. I'm gonna wait. If I can see, today evening is a great day. Market is moving very well. So could I expect this to come back to a resistance here to feel comfortable? Trader, I hope so. That our trade will come back to the resistance above. Or maybe at that level continue down. I don't know. We're already on the resistance on US. Let's see if we're gonna break. It's a good reversal. Nice, made. What I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to see I can go short here with a very small quantity, very small one, but I wait for the other candle to form. I'm not sure. I will go with a US here and Canadian here and also Australia. Just a tiny one. Let me see. I'm gonna push down, take a small quantity. I'm going short here with a very small one, 3 trade just. I wait. Place my stop here above, leave him room. I can readjust my stop if I want to. I adjust it down. Let's see. This one also, I wanna go short here. This guy as well. Place my room here. It didn't come out. It didn't come down the first time. Let's see if this time will not be a good one. Let's see. For trade, I wait. See the next candle. Could I wait this guy to move back up here? Could I feel more comfortable to come in? Let's see. Let me take this one as well. Take this one as well. This stuff gotta be far away above. I can readjust it back down in case. So let's see. The reason I'm entering the trade is that I was expecting this trade to come up, but I still expect it. This trade might come up here and break this level. It's possible. So I'm going to act on the trade in case it break this support here, break here. That is how I'm going to consider adding on the trade. Break here, you know, but if it already break even the first pivot point, I can add. Break this pivot point here, but it's dangerous. I wait, you know, I can add on the trade when they break the support, because I expect this time that the trade can come down and break the support and continue down. That is my viewpoint, my humble opinion. I I'm not sure, but that is what I'm thinking. So let's see. In case it does that, we'll consider adding. In case, if it keeps going up, I will readjust my stop and get out of the trade depending on the volume I see moving up. Let's see. I already missed 2 opportunities here. I don't know if this one will work or it will continue up. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe I may be wrong. Nobody know what the market gonna do. We saw this bullish here during opening of Australia. I don't know. Took a tiny quantity, just small. Downside. Let me see if we're going to repeat. Or I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, I'm going to get out. Take a small loss. If it break there, I will start watching my trade for the long. In case it break, it doesn't reject, because I expect it to break and reject. Let's see, hopefully we'll continue down. Want to see our trade breaking 20. I'm ready to add on US at least. Nice. Nice. Trying to see if I can add here in US. I'm adding here in US. And placing my stop above this guy. If we go back there, I'll be out of the trade or break even. I'll put it here this time. Put it there. So let's see. US keep coming down. I could also add here in this guy. Gotta wait a little bit. Come down again. You may see a reversal. It's possible. Let me take just one risk at a time. Let me add on the side. If we break here, I don't want to take too much risk because I was saying that I need to preserve my capital I made on Sunday. Need to preserve it. Need to preserve my capital. So I can add here if you come below break. I can consider adding. Let's see. I'm waiting. Let's see how it's going to play out. Adding this one. Place my stop here above. Want to see trade coming down, and so that we may break the support here and continue down. Want to see this guy also coming down here. Nice. I want to see this one here and this one here. This is where I'm tending to add here in case it break this level. I just added in 2 trades for the sake of my risk management. I don't want to. I'm now lowering my trade here, break even trader. I'm lowering here. I can place it here. lowering also this guy here from there to here. I lower now my stop. Trader, lowering my stop as you keep going down here. You know, this one need to hold it. I want to see a break here. Now pull back. Let's see, we're going to have a push down. If I break here, I'm going to add this level. This one also I want to add it here. Keep pushing down, I'll add there. Push here, I'll add this one. Adding there, trader. I'm placing my stop above here. I bring this one also here. See a small pullback. Let's see. See holding. Hopefully we're gonna get it. Want to see a continuation down. If we place a red candle start coming down here, I will add this level to break. Probably. This one here as well. If we break here, I don't know. So let's see. You see a red candle coming down. I know we have a lot of buyers there at that level. I have a lot. We may see our trade going back up. It's possible. Let's see. Hopefully we'll continue down. Ensuite, dans C-Trade, ici, au moment de vérité, on espère que notre trade vont continuer en bas. On espère. On va attendre voir. On va pousser vers le bas. See, holding trade for downside trader. Already add in two of my account, my pairs, 3. So let's see if we're gonna get it. I'm not sure. I have my stop there. In case it doesn't work, I'll take a loss. Pushing up, we saw a dotty, like a change of direction. Because here there is a lot of buyers, this level on the 200 EMA. A lot of buyers are lying there, you know, so we don't have a lot of chance there, but let's see. Hopefully they will be pushed down by sellers. I don't know. Trading it that sometimes is the wrong one you take, you know. We saw this good pullback and this good back reversal. I didn't involve in this one. I didn't take this one, but I took this one. You see how it's giving us our time, you know. Hopefully come down. Don't know. Moving up, coming back down. A lot of volatility. Maybe you go back up, because that is how volatility used to do. Sometimes go up and down, up and down, up and down. You think it's coming down, it go reverse. So let's see. I'm gonna get it. Nice push down. Want to see a break? Want to see a break on US? The rest. Let's break. If US break here, we'll be fine. Nice. Gonna act again here in US trader and place my stop here above. Add it again on US. So let's see. Three times on US. I don't add the other one here. It's already at the lower. Nice. Want to see US down. So we broke here. Want to see a continuation down so that I can add. I could have already taken some partial here on this trade, trader. Like this one here, this is GBP. Let me see GBP here. GBP here, taking my trade on GBP. Let's see. I'm getting out of GBP there. Also Australia here. US also. Take one trade on US. Okay, I gotta take also on let me see. I'm trying to take partial on US as well. I was supposed to take the first one, but anyway, it's hard to take a partial trader. That is the problem here. It's hard to take a partial. Okay, I'm taking the payment here, taking my profit at this level, the first one. I wait for the pullback trader because this platform is hard to take a partial. The way the build it is hard. I can just, maybe place my target, something like that, but I failed to do it. Anyway, it was a good trade. It's a beautiful trade. Congratulations for those who took it. Nice. You gotta understand that you gotta be difficult to just jump on all opportunity and take them. It's difficult, but we may, if we have 3 opportunity, we take one. It's good. You don't need to always be on the trade on the 3 all the opportunity. Yeah, we don't have to. The one we can take, we take it. So congratulations again, myself as well. So thank you. We need now to wait for a continuation down, probably, or reversal. Reversal or continuation down. We need to wait and see. Because I expect this trade to keep going down. Now I'm going to lower my support. Lower my support here. Lower my support. This guy as well. So my support here. So let's see. Thank you, Chelsea. Thank you. Gotta wait. Potential continuation down. Australia. I'm going to go down on Australia and just placing my stop above here, not far away, in case it turn on, because I don't want to give a lot. If it turn, I'll get out. This is not recommendable. I just want to just stay there, but I gotta wait all the trade what they're gonna do. I'm not giving a lot of stop on it, just to test, just to see in case it continue down. This is not the recommended trade. Because this, we want to see if we're going to have a reversal so that we can take it. Let's see a reversal, if or a continuation down. Pushing up. Want to see our trade come down or going up? I don't know. pushing up. It's hard to determine, to know exactly the direction. Look like we're moving up. I'm not sure. I'm out of my trade. See, check now the uptrend. Let's see. I'm going to reduce my size. I'll reduce my size here in case you take my direction. That is how I'm going to reduce my size. Reduce my size, trader. Place my stop here below. If you reverse, I would go short because it's possible to reverse. I reduce my size completely. So let's see. Took 3, just to test the water. Look like we're heading down. I don't know. Trying to see if I can enter this one. If it break here as well, okay. Gotta go long on US. I reduce my size too. I don't want to get myself in trouble. Nice move. Nice move. Nice. Let's see. Have a continuation up. I'm not going to add on this one because this is dangerous for me according to my small analysis. I'm not adding on this trade. I took a very tiny quantity, very small one. So let me check and see what this one gonna do. I took say five pairs here. Je vais pas ajouter ici. Non, je vais arrêter ça ainsi. N'ajoute pas. You can see that compared to this trade, this one I don't enter. If I can write it here for us to see. Okay, this first trade I was not able because this dropped before 7 p.m. At 7 p.m. the trade already here, so I didn't have opportunity to take it this level, and it came down. I didn't enter the trade till here. Now it reversed. I was expecting this trade to catch up the reverse, this reverse. I was expecting it rejected. I didn't enter the trade because I was waiting for confirmation. And then it played this candle. I was expecting this candle to be short, small like this here, like this one, go up and reject like this one and allow me the second candle to make the new high so that I can enter the trade like I did here. But it didn't give me opportunity to enter. It plays a big candle, bullish engulfing candle, and my stop was supposed to be here. So I said, man, I won't enter this trade because taking this trade means that I need to place my stop from here to here down like I did this one. So I will expose, my exposure is too big, my risk management too big. I said, no, I'm not taking the trade. So it went up without me. I was feeling FOMO, and then it came back down. So, and here we're having a trend line. I want to see if I can take my profit at some level at this because we're having trend line here. If you see here, we have a trend line, trader. I'm trying to see if this is not true. You see this trend line here. So, I'm concerned about it. I'm concerned about this one. So I want to see if I can take my profit at this level, trader. Take my profit, my small profit here, because trend line everywhere, trend line, trend line, trend line. So I'm concerned about it. Like this one as well. We have a trend line. Need to see. We may see the trade pulling back down. You know, that is why I want to take my profit at that level there, and unless it break here, keep going up. So that small one, I keep it. You know, that's my profit. keep it, because I want to see the trade breaking here. I want to see it breaking there so that I can re-enter the trade. I can re-enter the trade anytime, no problem. We have trend line everywhere here. So you need to read the market, what the market is telling you, you read it, because you should not be stubborn. You gotta see what the market is telling you, you trade accordingly. Okay, well, another trend line there. Let me see this one. US. Another one here. Another guy here. So let's see if we're going to break that trend line. Let's see, we're going to break this. Don't forget to hit the like button, Twitter, if you're new to our channel. Even though you're not new, it's better to hit the like button every day, because every day is a new session. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. You're going to help our channel to grow, and share our video for those who want to learn how to trade. We're here to learn. We're learning how to trade. We're not making money here. We invite you guys to use a demo account if possible. But if you want to use the real money like I'm doing, just a tiny account, small account, like the one I'm using, once we're going to get the skill, we'll make money. Gotta just increase our number. That's it. It's not difficult. Learn the skill first. See, we're pulling back down, trader. We're pulling back down. You respect the trend line very well. Respect the trend line very well. We're pulling back down. If we break, I'm going to go short. Respect the trend line. Let's see a break. We break there and hold. I will consider going short. We have a triangle here. As you can see, we're reducing, coming down, triangle. Triangle here as well. Like metro, we don't have a high-speed metro here in US, but if you go to other developing country, you're gonna see that is how the head used to be, sharp, so this kind of patterns, tighten like this and break down. You're gonna see it soon. Breaking down, trader. Breaking down. We need to wait for the whole, if you don't have a pullback, we have a lot of fake break. Trader, don't forget, a lot of fake break. 80% of break, up or down, are fake. Need to be careful. Don't fall on the trap. We need to see clear that it's a real break when the whole keep going down. Especially we need to see all the 6 pairs breaking same time. If some break or the one don't break, I'm not getting involved. I want to see all the 6 pairs. That is why I trade 6 pairs, because they communicate. If some break, other one don't, I'm not in. No. I'm not taking it. I want to see all the C pair breaking same time. Let's see a feed break, rejection, pulling back up and breaking up here and going up. Sorry. See a rejection. Let's see a continuation down and hold. Want to see the brick, trade start pulling away from the support. We see trader pulling away slowly. Sorry. I want to see this guy coming down here. I want to see it coming down. Otherwise, I should not show interest on the short now. If this CHF don't break, I'm not gonna take short here. No. good here, but it's still red flag for me. Red flag. I will feel comfortable if this guy break here. Now I feel comfortable to go to take a short position there. If he doesn't break, I'm not going in yet, trader, because I don't know where it can go. I know that if it's going down, it's good, but because I have 5 pairs here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, doing the same. This guy is not doing. I don't know what he's hiding, you know. So let me see. I know I'm missing opportunity, but prefer to miss it. If you guys find suitable to enter the trade, go ahead and enter. You know, the trade, the chart is the chart, the same chart. It's just people who are watching the chart who are different. Those people are different. You know, the same chart we are watching. I may see the chart differently. You guys see it differently. So you can approve yourself and enter the trade. It's not bad, but for me, I prefer to stay out, stay away at this time. It's an opportunity, I know, but it's okay. You know, trading is discipline. Knowing what you're doing. You should not trade randomly. Gotta have rules. You know. And if you miss any opportunity, another one come back. No question about it. Our trade are pulling away from the support, which is great. Let's see the retest. Let's see retest here. Great. We are breaking here now. What are we expecting? We're breaking there. Already on the support on Australia here. Big support. Gotta be careful. This guy. Let me check US. On the big support on Australia. US also broke the support. US broke the support here. US also on the support. Okay. Let me see Canadian. Canadian also on the support. So all those trade, you know, they are on the support. GBP. Okay, those trade are on the support. We gotta be careful. Gotta be careful there. Let's see if we're gonna break that support. This is 15 minute. You know, this is what I'm talking about. Support here. That is what I'm talking about. Okay, we have a break at this level. A break here, which is great. So let me see. You may see a rejection there as well. This is what I'm talking about here, trader. This is what I'm talking about for the support I'm talking about. I want to show it to you guys. This is it. You're on the support. This is it, what I'm talking about. So you saw it. Gotta be careful. Support here. You may see a rejection there coming back up. Here, let me see 15 minutes here. Let's see, we have support here, big one. So that is how it is. You need to wait your trade and see, because you may enter on the wrong one. So we expect the pullback there. So it was a great trade. The entry was here somewhere, or you know, here, and place your stop above. Write it down. But I didn't take it. It's fine. I won't jump on all opportunity, trader. I don't need one or two. I already have two good opportunities, so it's not bad. A good trader is not a trader who is jumping on all the opportunity. You know, if there is a opportunity, maybe 5, you just take 2. That's fine. That's fine. So let's see. Let me see this one. Let me place 5 minutes here and see 15 minutes. Let me see 15. We are also on the support. Yeah. Big support here. So I don't know if we're going to break it, but it's possible. Everything is possible in the market. Everything possible. So let's see pull back up, where I told you guys that there is a support. We see a rejection, green candle. I don't know if it's just a retracement for the continuation down, or I don't know. So that's pulling back up. Nice push on Australia. I don't know if it's a reversal. I don't know. It's very dangerous for me to enter. Let me see if I can enter the trade here, reducing my quantity and place my stop above. I reduce my quantity, take a small one, put my stop here. Let's see that one. just took one trade. Approaching 9. So trader, yesterday we stay on the trade till 11. Today I don't think that I'm going to stay like that. I made my small profit. I want to keep it, come back again tomorrow here. But the trade of today, what we can keep here is that during this session, that we shouldn't chase opportunity. Sometimes you may have your, how can I say, you have your rules. For example, the time you have to start trading, and also your setup, how you gotta enter the trade. All those rules are what we call system, or strategy, what people are calling commonly strategy. You have your strategy, you have your system of trading. When you see, for example, you see an entry like what we had, if I can take this one. For example, I'm repeating it again for the second time. I came here, this trade started here at 6:45.50. Start coming down. So my strategy is not to enter the trade before 7 p.m. Eastern time, because 7 p.m. that is the time where the market is open, Tokyo market. So I need volume. For me, it's a risk for me to enter the trade without volume. But anyway, there were volume here. So, but I didn't enter the trade. It came here, it was already here. 7 came when the trader was here. I couldn't enter this trade because my stop was far away. My stop was far. I didn't enter the trade. And now I was waiting for a reversal. The reversal came. It placed the rejection, which was good. I was expecting this trade to do some kind of small pullback like this one. And now dry and place the second candle to make the new high so that it can allow me to enter the trade and place my stop here. It didn't do that. It placed the bullish engulfing candle. I felt FOMO. I don't enter the trade. So I expect now this one, it reverse here, and I enter the trade at this level. I run it down till here. It was a good trade. Took also this small reversal. I went out here. It was a good trade. So this one, I didn't take it. I didn't take all this trade because I wasn't sure. So that is what we can take away from this, that we need to stick in our plan, stick on it. We'll be fine. So, je disais que nous devons garder une leçon, prendre une leçon par rapport à chaque truc que nous plaçons. C'est des leçons que nous gardons, que nous devons tirer. Donc, je n'ai pas pu prendre ces deux opportunités comme je montrais, comme celui-ci, celle-ci, autant pour moi. Voilà, je n'ai pas pris ces deux opportunités parce que ça ne m'a pas permis d'entrer. Même comme le trade était bien, mon stop était loin. Les deux trades que j'ai placés, que je devais placer, mon stop était loin. Donc, je suis plus conscient de l'argent que je vais perdre que ce que je vais faire. C'est la raison que je n'ai pas pris ce trade. Alors, j'ai pris les deux autres qui ont marché. Alors, je suis content de ce petit profit. Je le garde. Je vais revenir demain. Hier, j'ai travaillé jusqu'à 23h. Aujourd'hui, si je finis à 21h, c'est bon. Voilà. Nous allons nous revenir encore demain. Demain, c'est mercredi à 18h45. Voilà. So, trader, we'll see tomorrow again. 6:45. We'll be fine. Thank you. Have a wonderful time. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to our channel. See you again.